Hi, I'm Brigitte from Our Family Bee. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything else coming out. I have a lot of videos coming out on decluttering, and we're going through our whole house. And we would love it if you came along with us and learned some tips and tricks. Go check us out on our website at ourfamilybee.com or connect with us on Instagram at ourfamilybeesocial. Coming to you from the car because I have a few minutes before work and I wanted to talk about clothes decluttering. So as you know, we are moving, unfortunately, and I'm taking the time to go through every area in our house to declutter because I don't want to move boxes of needless junk that we're going to end up throwing away when we get to the new house anyways. So I have some tips and tricks for you when you're going through your clothes, things you can ask yourself to find out if you need to keep what you have or if you can donate it. Tip number 1 is to think about your season. No, not the weather season, but what season of life are you in? Do you need special clothes for your profession? Do you stay at home all day because you have children and you just wear yoga pants or workout clothes? Think about what season of life you're in and what kind of attire you need for that. Think about, did your season just change? I just had a baby, so I had maternity clothes that I used for a year, but now that we don't plan on having any more children, I got rid of all my maternity clothes and gave them to some friends who I know who are pregnant. Right now, I'm in the season of nursing a baby, so for about a year, I need clothes that are easy to nurse a baby in, so I'm keeping all of those, but when that season ends, I'll be giving those away and donating them. If you have clothes that you use for a season and don't plan to use for a little while, but you want to keep them, then take those out of your closet, store them away in a bin, and keep them for when you transition into that season, like maternity or nursing. Evaluate what you have, think about what season, and donate what you don't need because you will love the open space that your closet will give you. Tip number 2 is to think about where you're going. No, not where you're going this afternoon, but where are you going in life? What kind of image do you want to present? What do you feel confident in? Does your clothing and the colors and the fit of it fit your body type and your complexion? For instance, I do not look good in red or orange. It just doesn't go with my skin color, so I just don't have those in my wardrobe. What I do look good in is black or white, and so I have a lot of colors like that. So think about what looks good on you, what do you feel comfortable and confident in, and just keep those items. Get rid of what you don't need and consider buying a few choice pieces that you feel confident in. Things that represent who you are and who you want to portray to the world. Tip number 3, think about realistically, how often do you do laundry? I end up doing laundry every 2 to 3 days. And so I really don't need 15 pairs of underwear or 20 pairs of socks, and no one else in my family does either. Get rid of the excess and you will really enjoy how easy it is to take things out and put things away. With much less in your closet and in your drawers, you will be reminded more often that you need to do laundry because you'll only have 1 pair of underwear left, and do not wear them more than once, please. Also, consider the ideology of decision fatigue. If you've never heard of this, it's the idea that the less you have to think about a decision, the more brain power you have to think about other things. So when I go to get dressed in the morning, am I taking 20 minutes, in my opinion, needlessly, to pick out what I need to wear? Or can I quickly grab a top, grab a pair of pants, and call it a day? The less you have to think about what you're wearing, the more brain power you can use for other things. I wear scrubs to work, so I really don't have to think about what I'm wearing. I have to make sure there's a clean top and a clean bottom, and I'm good to go. And actually, where I work, I have to wear the same color, Exhibit A, every single day. So although this can get boring, it really cuts down on the amount of time I have to take to think about what am I gonna wear. But even if you don't wear scrubs and you wear professional attire, you can come up with a characteristic style of who you want to present to the world. So for instance, Brandon wears the same uniform every day. So he wears a black shirt, whether it's a button down or a t-shirt, and jeans. People now come to expect him to wear this, and in the off chance that he has to wear something different for a special occasion, everyone's like, because they expect him to wear his uniform. This cuts down on decision fatigue, and it cuts down on the amount of time we have to go shopping. We go straight for the color that we need to wear and what looks good on us and what we feel comfortable in, and we just buy that. It decreases the amount of time we have to get ready in the morning. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below. Have you decluttered recently? What things did you get rid of? Are you moving? If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any new content that we have coming out. And don't forget to go to our blog at ourfamilybee.com. Also, visit us on Instagram at ourfamilybsocial. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!